Nice and steady.
Dad, you're gonna know.
No, stand up.
Dad. Your hands are moving.
She's cracking up. Gosh, what's wrong with you?
Wait.
Come on, relax.
Who's heavier, Danilo or
Oh,
you just broke
it's all my fault.
it. You just broke it.
Give
Uh-oh.
it to Esther. Where's the battery? Give it to
Uh-oh.
Esther.
It's broke.
It's smashed. Come on, Esther, let's show them how to do this. Green Bear, come here before I pick you up myself.
Wait, don't put the bag on there.
Come on. Come on, babe. What are you doing? Hold my shoulders. Hold my shoulders.
Oh,
Hold my shoulders.
Esther ran away.
Can I do this while I'm jumping? I'm gonna hit my head.
I'm just gonna lift you up like this.
And then I'm gonna hit that.
No, just grab it.
No, it's
Grab
gonna
on.
fall.
No, it won't. It's supporting the
what?
whole house. It's supporting the whole house. Let's go.
Nakakasakit tong bata.
Go.
You're gonna hurt.
Hold
Oh
on.
my god.
Julie, grab it. I didn't lift you up yet. Grab it.
Wait, I'm gonna get a splinter.
No, you won't. Grab
Oh God, come on.
it. You got it?
No, Dad, no.
You guys are lame.
And then it's gonna fall.
No, it won't. Okay, everybody lift me up.
Okay.
Two per foot. Let's go. Come on. 200 pounds. Let's go. Fine.
Let's do it.
You guys.